Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's April 21st, and I've tilled a little area here, thrown me down some compost, and I'm going to put out these elderberry propagations that I had grown, and we're going to look how they're doing, talk about them a little bit, and get them in the ground. Okay. All right. What we're looking at, you can see the roots wanting to come out of the bottom of this pot, and so these are time to get these in the ground. You can look at that, it's got good roots. This is a simple proposition. We're not worried so much about the grass coming up or something. We're just wanting to put these in, and it's not going to hurt if you bury them a little bit deep. They'll just root out the side of the stem. But it's going to be as simple as that. Put them in, put them down. Now, you can do this directly. You can propagate these straight into the ground. Just poke them in the ground, keep them good and moist, and they'll start rooting out right in place. A lot of the commercial growers, that's the way they do it. I just want mine to have a little better start before I put them into the ground. But we're going to start these up here because we do have our little elderberry patch down the hill, but we want one up here close to the greenhouse. We don't take care of that one down there good. So what we want to do is take and have one that we look at every day whenever we come to the greenhouse, and we can take and water them regular. We'll put a sprinkler on these. The other one had a drip, which the drip doesn't give them enough water. They like a lot of water, especially if you've got sandy soil like this where it's going to come out. You want to be able to keep them moist. They'll grow faster, and especially in our Texas heat, they'll do a whole lot better. These are kind of, this one's actually trying to bud out, which I'll let it go ahead and make buds. If it bears fruit, that's fine. They're kind of like a weed as far as they grow real good, so that's not going to be a problem. They're the same age as the plant that they come off of because they were propagated. So it's not like growing from seed where you start out with a young plant and it's got to get up. And I tell people, don't worry about planting these in a row. Plants don't normally grow as good when you plant them all nice and even. They like to be kind of random like they would be in the wild. Of course, that's not actually a fact, but I can get an occasional person to believe it. I don't worry too much if they're not completely in a row. But I'm going to go down, plant the rest of these. I won't bore you with the same process over and over, but you can see all these have good roots. I'll see if I can go back and get an idea of when we started these, because I didn't actually do a video, but I think I got a older video on propagating them, and I might try to tag that up there above. Okay, it's as simple as that. We got them out. I put a little curve in there so they'll feel like they're more natural. Everything on my place is crooked, so that fits in good. I had used some of my compost that I made, put around. Like I said, they like a lot of moisture. The compost will help keep that moisture in the ground around them, let them get rooted in good. And I'll get these watered in, and they'll be ready to go. Give her a big thumbs up. And of course, as always, enjoy that gardening experience.